Hey everybody, this is Ann from ducttapeanddenim.com, and today we are going to be making a patriotic popsicle project. So what you're going to need is some popsicle sticks. I've got those back here. I'm using this to cut them with. You can use whatever works for you to cut. These are just a little few extra things here. You're going to need some paint. I'm using chalky finish. This is my favorite white crafting paint, even though it's a chalk paint, made for furniture and projects like that. I'm really liking it for crafting projects because it covers so good. And just to start off with, we appreciate you liking, commenting, and sharing on our videos because that helps more people see them. So popsicle sticks, hot glue sticks, random stars, flags, ribbon, whatever you want to decorate with. I'm using, these are the 1.5-inch stars that we have on in our online shop. You can find that at ducttapeanddenim.com/supplies. I'll leave a link for that later. These are some smaller ones. I think these are 1 inch. If you wanted to use those, we have those. This is just one of those little toothpick flags. I don't even know where I got this, but it's like a little American flag ribbon, but it's sticky on it. And I already painted everything, so you wouldn't have to watch me paint. But here's the size I cut then. I cut 1 5-inch, 1 3¼ inch, and 1 2½ inch. So just in case you want to see how I do that with these are just tin snips. You got to put a little pressure on them, but they cut pretty good. And once you cut one, you can just kind of hold it up. They don't have to be exactly that, but that's just the measurements I used to get my number 4. So see, and it's pretty rough on the edge. If you wanted to sand it, you could. I'm not going to, because this is just for my tree. These are not for sale. Now these outlines right here, I wanted to tell you, my husband gave me this idea. He doesn't even know he gave me this idea, but he's been building the chicken coop. I don't know if you get my email, if you're on my email list, you've probably seen pictures of our progress. But he uses jigs, and that's when you have to cut or build something over and over again. He makes this little outline so he can push the wood pieces up in it so he knows that they're exactly the same size every time. So since I'm going to make several of these, I thought I'm going to do the same thing, but just with a line, because these little popsicle sticks don't really need much. So I'm going to line that one up there. And I also use these sticks just to keep the popsicle sticks up off of my paper so they wouldn't stick to my paper. And see that line? I'm going to line the second one up right there. And then this third one, I'm going to glue that right there. All right. So there is my 4. There's my 4 ornament. And from there, you can just decorate it however you want. If you want to put the small stars on it,